Hey guys, got a trouble call. Residential water system booster pump stopped working. They had no pressure in the house. Apparently they've turned on their backup pump. We've been here before, and yeah, we'll go and figure out what's wrong. Hopefully it's something simple. All right, we'll see you there.
All right, so getting here upon arrival, they were running their backup pump. We got that all sorted out, but their main pump runs on this starter here, the one in the cistern. Upon arrival, it was sucked in, contactor sucked in, voltage is good through the contactor, and go to see what the amps are, and there are no amps. No amps to the motor, which is not a good sign. Makes me think that the motor either overloaded internally and is waiting to cool off, or it's like shorted open or something. So put our amp meter on here and we'll cycle power and see if we get any kind of amps when it sucks in. All right, let's see if we get any amps when it sucks in. Nothing. Nothing. So this motor has capacitors built in. It's a single stage motor. These capacitors here are from an old motor that's since been torn out. The new one in the cistern has its capacitors internally, so I can't meg it from here, but I can just do a simple continuity check, I suppose. And that does not tell me much. Yeah, interesting. Interesting. I could have a look in the tank. Otherwise, I think the next step is to call the motor dead, pump out the tank, and change out the whole motor and pump. It's unfortunate, but kind of how it is. I can't really get much clearer than voltage is applied and no amps, no rotation or anything. So the next step is replacement, or at least closer examination, but I'm going to suggest replacement. All right, see you on the next one.